What if I told you that you could have Pinterest and Notion rolled into one seamless workspace? Imagine the power of discovering beautiful ideas and organizing them perfectly, without ever leaving your Notion page. Sounds like a game changer, right? Well, stay tuned, because today I'm going to show you what that might look like and how you can do it right now. Picture this. You're working on a home renovation project, a design mood board, or even a content calendar. Normally, you'd hop between Pinterest and Notion, copying links, saving pins, toggling between apps. But what if your Pinterest-inspired ideas could live directly inside Notion? That's what the Pinterest for Notion concept is all about, a seamless integration that combines Pinterest's visual magic with Notion's organizational strength. Here's how it works today. First, find a Pinterest board, pin, or profile you love. Show simple gesture. Copy its URL. Then, head over to your Notion page. Just paste that URL directly into your workspace. Pause. After that, select Create Embed, and boom, you get a live, interactive Pinterest board right inside your Notion page. Resize, move, interact, just like you're browsing Pinterest, but now everything is in your organized workspace. Gesture for emphasis. Why is this so powerful? Well, it creates a unified workspace. No more switching tabs or losing track of inspiration. You keep your ideas, notes, and project details all in one place. And because it's an embed, the content updates automatically whenever you add new pins. It's dynamic and keeps your project fresh. Think of the versatility. Whether you're designing a dream home, prepping for a blog post, or researching for a big project, this integration keeps all your visual inspiration close at hand. Plus, it's easy to set up today, no special apps needed. Just copy, paste, and enjoy. Now, what if Pinterest had native support within Notion? Pause. Well, that would unlock even more features. Imagine filtering pins directly inside Notion, dragging and dropping pins into databases, or automatically creating task lists linked to your pins. Pretty powerful, right? It could even trigger automation workflows, creating new project entries from every pin you save. Smile confidently. We're on the edge of a future where your ideas and inspiration can be effortlessly linked, organized, and automated, making your workflow smarter and more inspiring than ever. So, if this sparks your creativity, I encourage you to try embedding Pinterest content into your Notion today. It's simple, effective, and transforms your workspace into a hub of visual inspiration. Don't just dream about this future, start building it now. Dive in, experiment, and make your Notion workspace a Pinterest-inspired playground. Thanks for watching.